In this tutorial we will be learning about quantum circuit-borne machine. The quantum circuit-borne machine is a model for learning state vectors for use in machine learning. Utilizing arbitrary states of 1 qubit and entanglement of 2 qubits. This time, we'll learn a simple pattern. For preparing the circuit, let's try to build a circuit with 4 qubits, using U3 gate in CX. It uses SGD for update and MSE for loss function. Before implementing, we will install Blueqat in Google Colab. Type !pip install Blueqat. Click on Run button and your Blueqat will be installed after some time. Firstly, we will import Blueqat from circuit. Then, import matplotlib.pyplot as PLT. After that, import numpy as NP. Finally, import time. And this is initial parameters. And this is for 1 qubit state preparation. This will loop the circuit of CX. And this is QCBM circuit. This function will have expectation value of it. And this is loss function. This data is called training data and this is initial parameters and this is list of result. And finally this will do iterations. Now, let us implement on label 1. Type the code. And click on Run button. After that you will get this output. Now let us try on label -1. And click on Run button. After that you will get this output. Thank you for watching this tutorial.